Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about few stocks which are in the pharma industry. If the lockdown situation worsen, if the scenario will be tightened by norms, no one can go here and there. In such condition, how to make money using the pharma stocks? I am going to give some details in this video. I picked up about six stocks for you. These six stocks are most tradable at NSE. So I just give the stocks name one by one with certain levels in the positive zone. Suppose these stocks are moving in a positive way, we can refer with these levels. Suppose these stocks will move in a negative way, we are not having a level right now. We will have a separate video to discuss about the negative zone of these stocks. Okay, please come to this video. The first stock is Cipla. The recently closed price of Cipla is 889. Suppose the stock has a momentum, the stocks moves up. I predicted a level up to which the stocks can move here and there. It can make a back and forth movement. My trading range is 889 to 1104. So use these levels. I'm not recommending the stocks in this video. I'm not imposing the levels given in this video. These are all my personal opinion. I am going to trade likewise. If at all you want, you can refer these levels. That I'm not recommending, I'm not canvassing, I'm not marketing. These are my personal views. So disclaimer, apply. The second stock in this category is Sun Pharma. The Sun Pharma has a recently closed price around 624. My predicted upper level is 740. I mean to say that these stocks may move up to 740 immediately, or otherwise the stocks may go back and forth between 624 to 740 while it is in a positive zone. And the third stock is the Pfizer. Though Pfizer is a very big stock, not only big stock, the price is also very high. The recently closed price is about 5080 rupees, and my predicted upper side level is 5664. So it is 5664. So between these two levels, the stocks may make a back and forth movement. And the next stock is Alchem. This Alchem is Alchem Laboratories. The Alchem is the recently included F&O stock. This stock is performing excellently in derivative stock futures segment. So the recently closed price of Alchem is 2750. My predicted upper level is 3240. So I mean to say that the stock may have a movement between 2750 and 3240. And next stock is Laurus Lab. This Laurus Lab is also a recently very good performing stock in the stock future segment. The Laurus Lab has a recently closed price around 439. So my upper level is 486 immediately. So it can make a back and forth travel between 439 to 486. And finally, the final stock in this segment is AstraZeneca. AstraZeneca has a controversial news over it due to some COVID-19 patients who had vaccine from AstraZeneca laboratories got affected by blood clot and all. Such kind of bad news, such kind of news did not affect the stock's movement in the market. So I prefer the AstraZeneca may have a very good movement. The recent closed price of AstraZeneca is 3527. My predicted upper side level is 3808. So this stock may have a movement between these two levels. So in this video, I confined only to the positive zone of 6 stocks concerned. I am not considering the negative side of these 6 stocks. If the stocks goes to negative side, I will put another video for you. By referring the negative side, I'll find out the ultimate support level for these stocks. So I just want to conclude that these 6 stocks may give a very good trading opportunity if the lockdown situation worsen, if the lockdown is tightened across the country. So this is an opportunity to refer these 6 stocks. have your own calculation, take your own risk, and trade yourself. Make money from these stocks. Enjoy. I am Vijay. Thank you very much.